Hello everyone, this is Mr. TECHFOX here and welcome to a brand new tutorial. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can run your personal AI completely in offline. If it helps, please consider subscribing to this channel. So first of all, you have to make sure that your RAM of the PC is at least 8 GB or 16 GB because it is mandatory, and I recommend to have a 16 GB RAM to run it locally or run it in offline. So we have to download an app first. So go to your web browser and then you have to search Ulama and then you have to download this app. Just open the official website and click on this download option. Either you are using Mac OS, Windows or Linux. So I'm a Mac operating system user, so I'm gonna download it first. Here you can see that the file is downloading over here. So just wait a few seconds until it is completely downloaded. So here you can see that the file has been downloaded. Just double click on it to install it. So I'm gonna double click on it. Wait a few seconds, I'm gonna minimize it and now drag it into the applications folder to install it completely. Now you have to open the application named Ulama. I'm gonna search it over here. Sorry, Ulama. Opening it, open button, and this is the app. Now we have to select the model. There are so many models available over here. Make sure that the parameters are low. If you use the low parameter, then it is going to use lower RAM. I mean, if you are using 1 billion parameter, it is going to use at least 2 GB or 3 GB RAM of your PC. On the other hand, if you have a higher RAM, then you can use 4 billion and 8 billion, so on. Make sure that your RAM is at least 16 GB so that you will be able to run at least 7 billion or 4 billion parameters of model. So I'm gonna choose this 4 billion model, and it is going to be downloaded on your PC on offline. So just wait a few seconds or a few minutes until it is completely downloaded. I'm gonna choose it and I'm gonna test it over here. Hello. So here you can see that it is going to reply in a minute. First of all, it will download the model. If the download is fully completed, then it will answer automatically even in offline. So actually we are going to download the AI model in our PC, and after then whatever we want to ask it, it is going to answer automatically. So here you can see that the model has been downloaded and it is going to answer us. And since our RAM is 16 GB, I mean I'm using Mac of 16 GB, that means it is going to answer for myself. So here you can see that it's a thinking model. So if I turn off the internet connection right now, it will answer, hello, do you know me? Here you can see that it is thinking and it is answering automatically. You don't have to have the internet connection. So it is thinking and after then it will answer. That's a fun question. I don't have memory passed and so on. So I'm gonna ask it on another question, and that is what is the result of 5 plus 5? So it will think first and it is gonna answer because I have chosen the model Queen 3 4 billion. So it will think first and it will answer then. Okay, all right. So the result of 5 plus 5 is 10. So that's it. Now you know how to run an AI even in offline, fully free. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.